fundsupermart.com.
Hi Pedro, what is the outlook for the Brazilian equity market for the next 2 to 3 years?
Thank you for the invitation. Well, first of all, let's talk about, so far Brazil has been, let's use it a word, boring market. In the last 2 years, it really hasn't gone anywhere. But I think that's looking into the rear view mirror. For the next 2 years, we're very excited about a inflection point in the credit cycle. So I think the worst is behind us. There is a lot of investment going on in regards to the Olympics and to the World Soccer Games in 2014. But more important, the government is really serious about developing infrastructure in Brazil. So infrastructure, together with consumption and the new oil findings, is going to put the country in a very good setting for a strong market in the next 2 to 3 years.
Are there any other factors that will contribute to positive performance for the Brazilian equity market?
Yes, I think so. I think, as I said, we're coming out of a very slow growth period. GDP this year should be close to 1.7%, and earnings per share has grown very close to zero, if not negative, for 2012. However, for 2013, we're expecting a 4% GDP growth and a 14% earnings per share growth. I think the sectors that will benefit are definitely those related to concession and to infrastructure and consumption. So we're talking about the highway concession companies, the shopping centers that have very strong growth and they also have the ability to pass through inflation. So these are some of the sectors we like a lot.
Are there any other sectors that you're positive on right now?
Well, besides those two, I think consumer discretionary is also very interesting. Remember that Brazil has a very young demographic profile, but nevertheless, 2/3 of the population are already in the working age. So there is a lot of income growth in the country and an ever-increasing middle class. Therefore, everything that's related to the aspirations of the new middle class, such as insurance, health insurance, private education, tends to do very well under this scenario, and we are also very optimistic about those sectors.
Conversely, are there any sectors or investment ideas that you're not so keen to pursue?
Yes, I think right now it's a time to be a little bit cautious about the energy sector. Because these companies are on a cash flow outflow mode. They're investing a lot to take on the new oil findings. They call the pre-salt. So probably until 2014, 2015, they'll be on the burning cash mode, and therefore we think it's worthwhile waiting a little bit longer before getting into energy in Brazil.
Thank you.
Thank you.